This simple guide will show you how to create a dynamic product block image in Klaviyo. Whether you're looking to enhance your abandoned cart sequence or any other event-triggered flow email, incorporating dynamic images can personalize your email marketing strategy and potentially increase engagement. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, open your Klaviyo account and navigate to the email layout canvas where you want to add the dynamic product image. This might be in the context of an event-triggered flow email like an abandoned cart sequence. Having this context in mind helps you tailor the email to your audience, making it more relevant and engaging. Now, focus on the left sidebar panel where you'll find various blocks you can use. What you want to do here is drag an image block from this sidebar and drop it directly into your email layout canvas. This action sets the stage for adding the dynamic element to your email. It's a straightforward step, but crucial in laying the groundwork for what comes next. Once you've placed the image block into your layout, click on it to activate the settings panel on the left. This panel is your command center for customizing the image block. Here, you'll see various options that allow you to tweak and modify the image settings to suit your needs. One of the key settings you'll be adjusting is the display type. By default, this setting is typically set to static, meaning the image remains the same for every recipient. However, to create a truly dynamic experience, you'll want to toggle this setting from static to dynamic. This change is pivotal as it allows the image to automatically update based on specific parameters or data points, such as the products left in a shopper's cart. When you switch to dynamic, Klaviyo will pull real-time data to personalize the image for each recipient. This means if you're using this in an abandoned cart email, the image will reflect the actual product the customer was interested in. This personal touch not only enhances the relevance of your emails, but also can significantly boost the likelihood of conversion, as customers are reminded of the exact products they left behind. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a dynamic product image to your email. This technique not only enhances the visual appeal of your email, but also leverages personalization to engage your audience more effectively. To ensure your dynamic images are working as intended, always preview and test your email. This step is vital in making sure everything appears correctly across different devices and email clients. Testing allows you to catch any discrepancies before your email goes live, ensuring a smooth and professional presentation. By integrating dynamic images, you're not just making your emails look better, you're creating a tailored experience for each recipient. This level of customization can lead to higher engagement rates, helping your marketing efforts stand out in a crowded inbox. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to create a dynamic product block image in Klaviyo. I hope you found it helpful and that it empowers you to make your email marketing more effective and personalized. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your digital marketing strategies. Until next time, happy emailing.